हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं एनिमल्स नेम विद ए टू जेड, यानी कि ए टू जेड लेटर से स्टार्ट होने वाले एनिमल्स नेम। पहले अगर आपने ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे फटाफट सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही इसे करना है लाइक एंड शेयर, जिससे ऐसे ही मजेदार वीडियो और आगे आपको मिलते रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना वीडियो। ए फॉर एलिगेटर, ALLIGATOR, alligator. This is an alligator. B for bison, 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 bison. This is a real bison. C for cow, 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 cow. This is a real cow. Repeat with me. This is a cow. D for dog, 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 dog. This is a dog. E for elephant, 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 elephant. This is a elephant. F for frog, 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 frog. This is a frog. G for goat, 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 goat. This is a goat. Repeat with me. This is a goat. H for horse, 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 horse. This is a horse. मेरे साथ साथ बोले horse. I for impala, 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 impala. This is impala. Repeat with me. Impala. J for jellyfish, 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 jellyfish. This is a real jellyfish. K for kangaroo, 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 kangaroo. This is kangaroo. L for lion, 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 lion. This is a lion. M for monkey, 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 monkey. This is a monkey. N for narwhal, 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 narwhal. This is narwhal. O for owl, OWL, owl. This is an owl. P for parrot, parrot, PAROOT, parrot. This is a parrot. Q for quail, 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 quail. This is a real quail. R for rabbit, 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 rabbit. This is a real rabbit. S for shark, 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 shark. This is a shark. Sadhuran, shark. T for tiger, 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 tiger. This is a a real tiger. U for unicorn face. Unicorn face. UNICORFISH. Unicorn. This is a real unicorn fish. V for wall. WOLE. Wall. This is a real wall. W for wolf. 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 This is a real wolf. X for Xerus. Xerus. ZERUS. Xerus. This is a real Xerus. Y for yak. 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 This is a yak. Z for zebra. 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 This is a zebra. Yay! We have completed. Hope you like this video kids. तो आपको पता चला A to Z से लेके animals भी होते हैं. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till you then, tata, bye bye.